Hi, I'm Rebecca Finch. I'm an artist and I've been painting in oil for about 20 years. I'm going to be teaching at 171 Cedar Arts in Corning, New York, a workshop. The subject matter is going to be painting silver, which is something that I have found a lot of artists struggle with, get intimidated by, or overwhelmed by, and I would really like to take a lot of that away and just show you how I go at silver. It's something I've become very comfortable painting, reflective objects in silver, but it can be just overwhelming because the entire room is reflected in that object. So you've got highlights and darks, and there's just so much information. So I'm going to be showing you how to block all of that information out and get it down to the really important details. I will be demonstrating how I do little art sketches, which are really quick paintings, and then you're going to be able to try that. And then I will show you how I do a more finished piece in silver. And then you're going to have a chance to paint along, and I will come around and help you. If you would like more information on this particular workshop or to see the other classes, you can go to 171 Cedar Arts, link that is in the description below. I hope to see you at one of my classes.